Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the MSI G274QPF 27-inch gaming monitor. You can get this product on Amazon for about $220. Check out the link in the description. The monitor comes with a DisplayPort cable, a power cable, screws, and a quick start guide. Setting up the monitor is very easy and only takes a few minutes. The adjustable stand is very sturdy and made of good quality. You only need a screwdriver to set up the monitor. The monitor has a headphone output, two HDMI inputs, a DisplayPort input, and a Type-C port. The on-off and navigator button is on the rear panel. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a really nice monitor with a very good picture quality. Even though the navigator button is on the rear panel, it's very convenient to use and the settings are very easy to change. The main reason why I bought this product is because I wanted a 27-inch monitor that is G-Sync compatible for my NVIDIA graphics card. I tested the monitor for about 3 months and I think it's a great product. It has a really nice size and the picture quality is fantastic. So if you are looking for an affordable 27-inch gaming monitor with a great picture quality, which works with FreeSync and G-Sync, I would recommend the MSI G274QPF 27-inch gaming monitor. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.